So take a look at the colors around. We're starting to get a little bit, you know, it's October 4th today, and we generally will peak about the third week, but I'll tell you, I don't know if it's all the rain we've been having or what, but our colors really aren't turning like I'd expect them to, and well, it just is what it is. I'm sure we'll have all that. We definitely have some beautiful fall colors up here to go out and ride in, and I fully plan on being able to capture some of those. This is the first, let's just call it the second day. It's been the second day in a week that we have had sunshine. It's been rainy, and we've already had a ridiculous amount of rain here for the end of summer, and we've got a lot more coming, which, well, Wisconsin can take it, but it'd be nice to have all this dry out just a little bit and let the colors start coming out. So anyways, I'll talk about this breakout a little bit. It's you know, like I said, I've only ridden it about 500 miles at this point. I really have to say that it's just a very comfortable bike to ride. Now, granted, I haven't taken it on. You know, earlier this year I did that 1,500 mile ride in 30 hours, and yeah, I'm not sure that this, you know, I'm sure I could do it on it, but I'm not sure this would be the most comfortable bike for that particular ride. I did that on the KTM, and I did have a very small windscreen, but you know, like I said, it wasn't. That's not a ride that you're really doing for comfort. It's really about, when you're trying to do that many miles in that few of hours, it really is just about trying to get it all done. And you know, that's fun too. Like I said, I didn't have a lot of time to prepare for that particular ride, so I just had to go with what I had and start riding and keep riding. So I'm one person that can enjoy that type of ride. Some people don't. They like to take a lot more time to do a ride like that, but like I said, there's as much as I enjoy that, just getting out on local roads is also pretty amazing. And the breakout's are really a perfect bike for just cruising around. I don't know. Even though we're out in the open here, a sub 200 mile ride would probably be optimal on this thing. Like I said, I would not hesitate to ride it a lot further, but that's me, and a lot of people don't like being out in the wind that long. And to be perfectly honest, if we're talking about a rain event or anything else, or, you know, other than optimal weather, not being behind a windscreen is a real bad thing. But like I said, it really is a fun motorcycle to ride. It's the shifting is typical Harley. I've talked about that before in my other vlogs. You know, if you're used to something else, they feel a little bit clanky. You're not really going to speed shift it. It's just not that type of motorcycle. Let's see if I can not get hit by all the garbage coming off of this truck. Jeez. But it's really not that style of motorcycle. These are cruisers. They're made to cruise.